English ka ng English, pero sarili mo lang nakakaintindi. Subscribe muna, i-level up natin yan. Parang hindi ko nasabi ng diretso. I didn't say it straight. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ko bang ayusin muna ang thought ko. I'm not sure if I should organize my thoughts first. Parang napaikot-ikot ang sagot ko. My answer went in circles. Hindi ko alam kung alin ang uunahin kong banggitin. I don't know which part to mention first. Parang may na-miss akong mahalagang detalye. I missed an important detail. Hindi ko sure kung dapat kong gawing mas casual. I'm not sure if I should make it more casual. Parang naging pilit ang pagkakasabi ko. It came out forced. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong linawin ang context. I don't know if I should clarify the context. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang totoong point ko. I didn't show my real point. Hindi ko sure kung sapat na yung explanation ko. I'm not sure my explanation was enough. Parang napahaba ko ng hindi sinasadya. I made it longer without meaning to. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong bawasan. I don't know if I should trim it down. Parang hindi ko na ipwesto ng maayos ang sinabi ko. I didn't place what I said properly. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ko bang linawin pa. I'm not sure if I should clarify more. Parang napaaga ang sagot ko. I answered too early. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito sasabihin ng mas maiksi. I don't know how to say this shorter. Parang hindi ko nasundan ang sarili kong punto. I lost track of my own point. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magbago ng tono. I'm not sure if I should change my tone. Parang may sinabi akong hindi buo. I said something incomplete. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito babalansehin. I don't know how to balance this. Parang naputol ang thought ko sa gitna. My thought got cut off halfway. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang naging reaksyon ko. I'm not sure my reaction was clear. Parang hindi ko naipakita ang totoong ibig kong sabihin. I didn't show what I really meant. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng follow-up. I don't know if I should give a follow-up. Parang masyado akong nag-adjust sa sitwasyon. I adjusted too much to the situation. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang pacing ko. I'm not sure my pacing was right. Parang may na-miss akong mahalagang detalye. I missed an important detail. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapasok ng maayos. I don't know how to bring this in smoothly. Parang hindi ko na-deliver ang linya ko. I didn't deliver my line well. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-elaborate. I'm not sure if I should elaborate. Parang masyado akong naging tahimik bigla. I suddenly got too quiet. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito aayusin next time. I don't know how to fix this next time. Parang hindi nag-sync ang isip at bibig ko. My mind and mouth weren't in sync. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang naging direksyon ko. I'm not sure my direction was clear. Parang may sinabi akong wala sa timing. I said something at the wrong time. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong mag-slow down pa. I don't know if I should slow down more. Parang hindi ko nasabi ang gusto kong idiin. I didn't say what I wanted to emphasize. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang naging transition ko. I'm not sure my transition was right. Parang may kulang sa huling sagot ko. My final answer felt lacking. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapaliwanag ng mas simple. I don't know how to explain this more simply. Parang masyado akong nag-overthink habang nagsasalita. I overthought while speaking. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang point ko sa kanila. I'm not sure my point was clear to them. Parang hindi ko na ituloy ang momentum. I couldn't keep the momentum. Hindi ko alam kung kailan dapat mag-stop. I don't know when to stop. Parang may sinabi akong hindi ko naman intensyon. I said something I didn't intend. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-rephrase. I'm not sure if I should rephrase. Parang hindi tumama ang dating ng sinabi ko. What I said didn't land well. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito i-handle. I don't know how to handle this. Parang masyado akong naging maingat. I was too cautious. Hindi ko sure kung sapat ang naging paliwanag. I'm not sure my explanation was enough. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang kumpiyansa ko. I didn't show my confidence. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito isasara. I don't know how to close this. Parang may iniwan akong tanong. I left a question hanging. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang naging ending. I'm not sure the ending was clear. Parang hindi buo ang dating ng sinabi ko. What I said didn't feel complete. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong bumawi agad. I don't know if I should recover right away.
Parang kulang sa linaw ang sinabi ko. What I said didn't feel clear enough. Hindi ko sure kung nakuha nila ang punto. I'm not sure they got the point. Parang nag-iba ang dating ng salita ko. My words came across differently. Hindi ko alam kung masyado akong paikot. I don't know if I went around too much. Parang naputol ang thought ko. My thought got cut off. Hindi ko sure kung dapat kong ayusin pa. I'm not sure if I should fix it more. Parang hindi swak ang ginamit kong words. The words I used didn't quite fit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit parang sablay. I don't know why it feels off. Parang nauna ang kaba kaysa isip. Nerves came before my thoughts. Hindi ko sure kung dapat mas simple. I'm not sure if I should simplify it. Parang na-miss ko ang pinaka-importante. I missed the most important part. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako nadulas. I don't know where I slipped. Parang hindi tugma ang simula at dulo. The start and end don't match. Hindi ko sure kung dapat mas diretso. I'm not sure if I should be more direct. Parang masyado akong nag-ingat. I was too careful. Hindi ko alam kung tama ang tono ko. I don't know if my tone was right. Parang nagulo ang flow ng sagot ko. My answer's flow got messy. Hindi ko sure kung kailangan ko pang ipaliwanag. I'm not sure if I need to explain more. Parang may naiwan akong hindi nasabi. I left something unsaid. Hindi ko alam kung kailan dapat tumigil. I don't know when to stop. Parang hindi ko na-feel ang sarili ko. I didn't feel like myself. Hindi ko sure kung nag-sense ang sinabi ko. I'm not sure what I said made sense. Parang may mali sa pacing ko. My pacing felt off. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong pumagal. I don't know if I should slow down. Parang hindi ko nabuo ang thought. I didn't complete the thought. Hindi ko sure kung klaro ang explanation ko. I'm not sure my explanation was clear. Parang masyado akong nag-isip habang nagsasalita. I overthought while speaking. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong mag-reset. I don't know if I should reset. Parang hindi nag-click ang sinabi ko. What I said didn't click. Hindi ko sure kung dapat kong ulitin. I'm not sure if I should repeat it. Parang nawala ang momentum ko. I lost my momentum. Hindi ko alam kung anong parte ang sablay. I don't know which part was off. Parang masyado akong na-pressure. I felt too pressured. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang naging dating. I'm not sure how it came across. Parang hindi buo ang sagot ko. My answer didn't feel complete.
Parang hindi ko alam kung saan magsisimula. I don't know where to start. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ko bang ipaliwanag lahat. I'm not sure if I should explain everything. Parang may gusto akong sabihin, pero nag-hesitate ako. I wanted to say something but I hesitated. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito sasabihin ng diretso. I don't know how to say this directly. Parang hindi ko na-follow ang takbo ng usapan. I couldn't follow the flow of the conversation. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang pagkakabigkas ko. I'm not sure if I pronounced it right. Parang masyado akong nag-isip bago magsalita. I thought too much before speaking. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng context. I don't know if I should give context. Parang hindi ko nasabi ang pinaka-importante. I didn't say the most important part. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang gusto kong mangyari. I'm not sure what I want to happen is clear. Parang nagulo ang sequence ng sinabi ko. The sequence of what I said got messy. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako dapat sumingit. I don't know when to jump in. Parang masyado akong naging careful sa words. I was too careful with my words. Hindi ko sure kung na-interpret nila ng tama. I'm not sure they interpreted it correctly. Parang may naiwan akong thought sa isip ko. I left a thought in my head. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito paiklin. I don't know how to shorten this. Parang hindi ko nasalo ang mood ng usapan. I didn't catch the mood of the conversation. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng opinyon. I'm not sure if I should give my opinion. Parang may sinabi akong hindi swak. I said something that didn't fit. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito aayusin. I don't know how to fix this. Parang masyado akong nag-adjust sa kausap. I adjusted too much to the other person. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang reaction ko. I'm not sure my reaction was clear. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang punto ko. I didn't manage to show my point. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng example. I don't know if I should give an example. Parang naputol ang momentum ko. I lost my momentum. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-slow down. I'm not sure if I should slow down. Parang may nasabi akong kulang sa linaw. I said something unclear. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito tatapusin. I don't know how to end this. Parang hindi tugma ang tono ko. My tone didn't match. Hindi ko sure kung sapat ang paliwanag ko. I'm not sure my explanation was enough. Parang nawala ang focus ko bigla. I suddenly lost my focus. Hindi ko alam kung kailan dapat mag-pause. I don't know when to pause. Parang hindi ko nasabi sa tamang paraan. I didn't say it the right way. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang intensyon ko. I'm not sure my intention was clear. Parang may iniwasan akong punto. I avoided a point. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito babanggitin. I don't know how to bring this up. Parang masyado akong naging conscious. I became too self-conscious. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magtanong pabalik. I'm not sure if I should ask back. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang confidence ko. I didn't show my confidence. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito i-rephrase. I don't know how to rephrase this. Parang may hindi nag-click sa sinabi ko. Something didn't click in what I said. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang ending ko. I'm not sure my ending was clear. Parang hindi ko nailabas ang buong ideya. I didn't get the whole idea out. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito babawiin. I don't know how to recover from this. Parang may kulang sa dating ng sagot ko. My answer didn't come across fully.
Parang hindi ko na ipwesto ng maayos ang sagot ko. I didn't place my answer properly. Hindi ko alam kung alin ang dapat kong unahin. I don't know which part to start with. Parang nagmamadali ang bibig ko kaysa utak. My mouth moved faster than my brain. Hindi ko sure kung naipakita ko ang punto. I'm not sure I showed my point clearly. Parang nag-iba ang tono ko sa gitna. My tone shifted halfway through. Parang hindi ko nakuha ang tamang ritmo. I didn't catch the right rhythm. Hindi ko sure kung dapat akong huminto. I'm not sure if I should pause for a bit. Parang may bumangga sa isip ko. My thoughts suddenly crashed. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong linawin agad. I don't know if I should clarify right away. Parang hindi ko nakontrol ang daloy. I didn't control the flow. Hindi ko sure kung nag-match ang sinabi ko. I'm not sure what I said matched. Parang nawala ako sa sarili kong paliwanag. I got lost in my own explanation. Hindi ko alam kung anong parte ang dapat bigyang diin. I don't know which part to emphasize.
Parang hindi ko masabi kung seryoso ba to o hindi. I can't tell if this is serious or not. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong makisabay. I don't know if I should go along with it. Parang napaisip ako kung tama ang sinabi ko. It made me wonder if what I said was right. Hindi ko sure kung nagets nila agad. I'm not sure they got it right away. Parang bigla akong napahinto magsalita. I suddenly stopped myself from speaking. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapaliwanag ng diretso. I don't know how to explain this straight. Parang masyado akong nagingat sa sagot. I was too careful with my answer. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magpakatotoo. I'm not sure if I should be honest. Parang may gusto akong idagdag, pero nagdalawang isip ako. I wanted to add something but hesitated. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko sasabihin ng hindi awkward. I don't know how to say this without it being awkward. Parang hindi ko nasabi ang gusto kong punto. I didn't get to say my point. Hindi ko sure kung ramdam nila ang meaning. I'm not sure they felt the meaning. Parang nag-alinlangan ako sa huli. I hesitated at the end. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong tumuloy magsalita. I don't know if I should keep talking. Parang may sinabi akong kulang sa linaw. I said something that wasn't very clear. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magpaliwanag ulit. I'm not sure if I should explain again. Parang masyado akong nag-isip bago sumagot. I thought too much before answering. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito babanggitin. I don't know how to bring this up. Parang hindi ko nasabay ang usapan. I couldn't keep up with the conversation. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang naging timing ko. I'm not sure my timing was right. Parang may gusto akong itama sa sinabi ko. I want to correct something I said. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito sasabihin ng mas mahinahon. I don't know how to say this more calmly. Parang napaisip ako kung sobra na ba. It made me wonder if it was too much. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng detalye. I'm not sure if I should give details. Parang hindi ko na ituloy ang naumpisahan ko. I didn't finish what I started. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ire-rephrase ng mabilis. I don't know how to rephrase this quickly. Parang masyado akong naging conscious sa sarili ko. I became too self-conscious. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang naging reaksyon ko. I'm not sure my reaction was clear. Parang may sinabi akong hindi ko naman talaga gusto. I said something I didn't really mean. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito babawiin ng maayos. I don't know how to take this back properly. Parang hindi ko nailabas ang tamang emosyon. I didn't show the right emotion. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-slow down. I'm not sure if I should slow down. Parang may iniwasan akong tanong. I avoided a question. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapasok sa topic. I don't know how to fit this into the topic. Parang masyado akong nag-adjust sa kausap ko. I adjusted too much to the other person. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang naging direction ko. I'm not sure my direction was right. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang confidence ko. I didn't show my confidence. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako dapat tumigil. I don't know when to stop. Parang may kulang sa naging sagot ko. My answer felt lacking. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang gusto kong iparating. I'm not sure what I want to get across is clear. Parang nagulo ang isip ko sa gitna. My thoughts got messy halfway. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito tatapusin ng natural. I don't know how to end this naturally. Parang may naiwan akong hindi nasabi. I left something unsaid. Hindi ko sure kung sapat ang sinabi ko. I'm not sure what I said was enough.
Parang masyado akong nag-adjust habang nagsasalita. I adjusted too much while speaking. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang intention ko. I'm not sure my intention was clear. Parang napigil ang huling thought ko. My final thought got held back. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong ayusin ang ending. I don't know if I should fix the ending. Parang may hindi nag-click sa usapan. Something didn't click in the conversation. Hindi ko sure kung ramdam ang punto ko. I'm not sure my point was felt. Parang masyado akong naging maingat. I was overly careful. Parang naputol ang natural na daloy. The natural flow got cut off. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ko pa itong pahabain. I'm not sure if I should make this longer. Parang may nasayang na pagkakataon. An opportunity went to waste. Hindi ko alam kung dapat kong ulitin sa ibang paraan. I don't know if I should rephrase it. Parang hindi ko nasabay ang reaksyon nila. I didn't keep up with their reaction. Parang masyado akong nag-isip sa bawat salita. I overthought every word.
Parang hindi ko masalo ang tanong nila. I couldn't quite catch their question. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong sumagot agad. I don't know if I should answer right away. Parang masyado akong na-pressure bigla. I suddenly felt pressured. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang pagkakaintindi ko. I'm not sure I understood it correctly. Parang nag-freeze ang isip ko saglit. My mind froze for a moment. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-justify to. I don't know how to justify this. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang punto ko. I didn't manage to show my point. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-correct. I'm not sure if I should correct myself. Parang may nasabi akong hindi klaro. I said something unclear. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ipapasa. I don't know how to deliver this. Parang hindi ko nasagot ang pinakatanong. I didn't answer the main question. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong mag-explain pa. I'm not sure if I should explain further. Parang may mali sa pagkakasunod-sunod. Something was off with the order. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ibabalangkas. I don't know how to structure this. Parang masyado akong naging cautious. I was too cautious. Hindi ko sure kung ramdam nila ang sinasabi ko. I'm not sure they felt what I meant. Parang na-overthink ko ang sagot. I overthought my answer. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako dapat tumigil. I don't know when to stop. Parang hindi ko na kontrol ang nerbiyos ko. I couldn't control my nerves. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang example ko. I'm not sure my example was clear. Parang may iniwasan akong punto. I avoided a point. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito sasabihin ng mas maiksi. I don't know how to say this more briefly. Parang hindi tugma ang sinabi ko at gusto kong sabihin. What I said didn't match what I meant. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng background. I'm not sure if I should give background. Parang nawala ako sa track. I went off track. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito ibabalik. I don't know how to bring it back. Parang masyado akong nag-adjust sa reaction nila. I adjusted too much to their reaction. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang emphasis ko. I'm not sure my emphasis was right. Parang may kulang sa ending. The ending felt lacking. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito tatapusin ng smooth. I don't know how to end this smoothly. Parang hindi ko na ilagay sa tamang konteksto. I didn't put it in the right context. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong magbigay ng opinyon. I'm not sure if I should give my opinion. Parang masyado akong naghintay bago magsalita. I waited too long before speaking. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito i-rephrase. I don't know how to rephrase this. Parang may nasabi akong kulang sa linaw. I said something that lacked clarity. Hindi ko sure kung na-capture ko ang idea. I'm not sure I captured the idea. Parang hindi ko na ipakita ang confidence ko. I didn't show my confidence. Hindi ko alam kung dapat ba akong mag-pause. I don't know if I should pause. Parang masyado akong nag-focus sa detalye. I focus too much on details. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang direksyon ko. I'm not sure my direction was clear. Parang may hindi nagtugma sa usapan. Something didn't align in the conversation. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito lilinawin. I don't know how to clarify this. Parang hindi ko nasabi sa tamang paraan. I didn't say it the right way. Hindi ko sure kung dapat ba akong bumalik sa punto. I'm not sure if I should go back to the point. Parang may na-miss akong pagkakataon magsalita. I missed a chance to speak.
Parang hindi ko na ituloy ang iniisip ko. I didn't manage to continue my thought. Hindi ko sure kung dapat kong linawin agad. I'm not sure if I should clarify right away. Parang may nasayang na salita. Some words went to waste. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako napunta sa paliwanag. I don't know where my explanation went. Parang nagulo ang pacing ko. My pacing got messed up. Hindi ko sure kung ramdam nila ang punto. I'm not sure they felt the point. Parang masyado akong nag-adjust sa kausap. I adjusted too much to the listener. Hindi ko alam kung kailan dapat magbigay ng example. I don't know when to give an example. Parang naputol ang thought ko bigla. My thoughts suddenly got cut off. Hindi ko sure kung malinaw ang direksyon ko. I'm not sure my direction was clear. Parang may hindi ako nasabi ng buo. I didn't fully say what I meant. Hindi ko alam kung dapat akong bumagal. I don't know if I should slow down. Parang hindi tumugma ang sagot ko. My answer didn't quite match. Parang may gusto akong sabihin pero hindi ko mailabas. I feel like I want to say something but can't get it out. Bigla akong kinabahan kahit simpleng usapan lang. I suddenly got nervous even in a simple conversation. Parang hindi sabay ang utak at bibig ko. My mind and mouth weren't in sync. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako nag-alinlangan. I don't know why I hesitated. Parang may kulang sa sinabi ko. Something felt missing in what I said. Hindi ko mahanap yung tamang tono. I couldn't find the right tone. Parang masyado akong nagpreno. I held myself back too much. Hindi ko alam kung dapat akong dumiretso. I don't know if I should be more straightforward. Parang nag-freeze ako sa gitna. I froze halfway through. Hindi ko sure kung tama ang dating ko. I'm not sure how I came across. Parang may gusto pa akong idagdag. I felt like I had more to add. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako natahimik. I don't know why I went quiet. Parang naputol ang momentum ko. I lost my momentum. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko babawiin. I don't know how to recover.
Hindi na ba puro wait lang ang English mo? Subscribe ka na. Mas dumadaldal ka na ah.